kaon ako kanon. Target ako asin, target ako ginamos, sudan ko quick chow, wala problema sa basta sila di lang sila magutman. Una ko nga klase nga tao.
You mean when you were still working there, you were just eating even just your you have just sold for your bayans so that you can save money to send
May pamilya.
your family here in the Philippines. So you have sent much of your money to her when you were still there.
No.
Then what she told you she had used what she had told you, what she had bought with the money you had sent to her when you were still there and she was still here.
Ay, gamit na nilang duha kay.
She used to his man.
Yeah.
Your money had been used by
They have
Marisa and his boyfriend
they have
in their enjoyment.
yes.
Oh my God.
They have time argue my money.
Oh my God.
I was listening nearly. Listen.
The neighbor told you that she had she heard that Marisa and her boyfriend had an argument about the money you had sent. Oh my God.